If your Honda CR-V refuses to start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue. Statistics show that over 70% of no-start conditions in modern SUVs stem from a weak battery. Let's break down the diagnostic process step by step to get you back on the road. Start by checking the battery terminals, measuring voltage, and listening for clicks at the starter. Beyond the battery, check the ground straps, the alternator, the starter relay, or even your key fob. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any electrical repairs for your safety. Simple fixes like cleaning terminals are DIY friendly, while internal engine or ECU issues belong at the shop. Repair costs vary significantly depending on whether you are replacing a simple relay or the entire starter. If basic checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to isolate complex electrical shorts. Keep a basic 10 wrench, a wire brush, and a digital multimeter in your trunk for emergencies. Remember that effective diagnostics is always about ruling out the simple components first. If these tips helped you start your Honda, leave a comment below and subscribe for more repairs.